Jamaica, and I'm back with another video. Today basically I'll be lying in my bed because it's rainy season, so I'm gonna take you outside so y'all can see what is going on outside right now. So yeah, as y'all can see, the rain is falling outside. It's very much. Cause I'm taking with my phone at the moment so y'all can see, like, yeah. Hold on, guys. Hold on. This is the rain. Y'all know that means we're gonna stay inside today, chill, watch a movie on our tablet, not on the TV. So basically we're gonna lay down, watch it.
Lastly, it's your dog, but it's my house.
Yeah. And chill for the day. Here's what we're gonna do. Hey baby. Here's what we're gonna do, chill for the day.
We gotta get some cook curry on.
So we gotta get the pan cook. Yeah. Okay, I'll see we could. Cause okay. Off the camera. Oh yeah. So this is the next day. I do what did tell you, I did had nothing to like hold my phone, but how you feel? Use map so I show you how exactly she buy for people. Yeah, I'm gonna show you how she buy for me, and I saying that, oh, me and I forward before. Alright, so I'm gonna show you one thing. I can't hide now and say that, oh, she never buy anything for me. I forget everything about this, guys. To be honest, I forget everything about this. But she should buy this for me for like what's my phone or tablet or something. I could use this all the time, buddy. All the time I could use this. For me phone, so see? For this. Look at this, buddy. I mean, like all the phone I can just rest on this guy. I didn't know, but like I forget everything about this. I can't believe the way. I forget everything about this, buddy. Yeah, I forget everything about this, guys. Like, really forget about this. But you know, start using it now because start using it now because she's upset with me because of that. Watch this. See your face on the ground here, watch it. Yeah, see your face on the ground there. Yeah, worry about me, buddy. I'll show you exactly what we're doing. Can't remember this movie name at all. Watching though. Yeah, see which is the one? TikTok. TikTok love, wow.